guys, so today Jannah's gonna be riding her brand new Range Rover that she got for her birthday, and we're gonna take it around town. You ready, Jannah?
Yes!
All right, guys, let's get started.
My heart is yours. You wanna have fun with me? Then press the button. Hey girl! Remember that old car I drive? But I have a new car now. And I'm gonna take it for a ride. Bye girl! Bye!
So Jannah drove all the way to the swimming pool, guys. So we're sitting here splashing with our feet in the water. You having fun, Jannah?
Yeah! That's so cool!
So had I known we were going to be driving to the pool, I would have had her put on a bathing suit.
You guys for watching. Thank you for like, subscribe, and subscribe. Bye!
Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bye!
Bye.